Do you really think you're crazy?
Do they know of a channel?
That you know, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream. And I think dumb plans would come true. And I think dumb my whole life loving you.
Hey everybody! Welcome to Brianna's DIY World. Today I have my sister Jaisha. If you're watching my vlogging channel, you would have seen her there, but if not, here's the intro. She's pretty awesome. Today we're going to be doing the different candy, seeing if we can tell the different flavors. Because I've been hearing a rumor go around that the Skittles that they're all the same flavor. So we're going to try these out. They say there's different flavors, but are they really? And then we thought too, why not try some Starbursts? We got some Starburst gummies and we're going to try these out too. Alright. So let's first start out with we're gonna start out with the original Skittles.
No.
What?
No.
Look, the wrapper.
I can't
It's
do that.
upside. It's bad. They messed this up. Okay, we're gonna blindfold yourself.
I can't handle that. I'm glad I don't see it.
Yeah, you'll be blindfolded. All right, so she does not know what flavor she's going to be getting, but you will. We're gonna start out with this one to see if she can guess. Alrighty, here you go. What flavor is that Skittle? She actually got it right. It was great. Woohoo! Alrighty, the next one is this one. Yes, we're just cleansing our palate with water because water's the best. Alright, this is spoon. This is the next one. Alright, you ready? It was this orange?
No. No, I one time bit into it and it was yellow.
You still got it wrong. You got it wrong.
Oh, it's green. Okay.
It was yellow.
What?
It was lemon. You're definitely wrong.
Oh. See, I was right at first, and why did you say
This is orange. It was yellow. Keep cleanse your palate. Alright, our next one will be this. There's Skittles all over my floor now.
What's your phone? No.
Okay. What flavor is this?
I know what flavor it is, but I can't.
What flavor is it?
It's green.
Yep. You got it right. Alrighty. What are you gonna give me?
You mean this color?
Are these Skittles yours? I don't even like them.
I don't really like mine, that's why I'm just thinking. I don't know what.
I really have no clue what this is. Red?
Not even close.
What was it? Lemon.
Very good, yeah.
Next one.
Ready? This color. You can't bring it out.
Oh. What do you mean the flavors?
Okay, so there is lemon, grape, orange, strawberry, and green apple.
This one's orange.
What? I'm just kidding.
I was like, no! I know for sure this is orange.
Okay, this is the next one.
Are you sure?
I just don't want to go to your mouth.
This one's red.
No.
Purple.
No.
Another lemon.
Yeah.
I don't think there's a big difference.
No, there is. Because the lemon ones are gross and so are the orange ones.
I think there's slight differences, but I feel like they're really similar. You guys should try this. I really. So now we're gonna be trying the wild berries again. So we're gonna be doing the wild berry Skittles for this one. You open it up. I'll go first. And then again, we should read out the flavors.
Yeah, mix them up so you don't know what one it is.
I didn't know which ones they were before.
Oh, I think you have extra room. Okay. Actually, if you have extra room, that one
What are you talking about?
Okay, so there's melonberry, not lemonberry. Melonberry, berry punch. I just about said berry. Raspberry, strawberry, and wild cherry. Okay. Honestly, like don't know how like any of these taste, except for the blue one. Okay. Enter this one.
Your problem. I forgot to pay attention when you were telling me the flavors.
There's melonberry, berry punch, raspberry, strawberry, and wild cherry.
I wouldn't know what any of those flavors taste like.
No, good luck.
This is melonberry.
Eh. I would say melonberry. Not bad.
What was it?
No, I ate a berry punch.
Berry punch? Is that it?
No, I ate a berry punch.
What did I eat?
I guess.
I don't remember any of the other flavors. The cherry?
Yes. This one. I just stuck your dream.
It's your fault.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
Give me the flavors again.
Melonberry, wild cherry, strawberry, berry punch, and raspberry.
Berry punch?
Yeah.
I got one right! Alrighty, you guys. Her first one will be this. Cheated. You guys saw it.
I put like 2 in my mouth at a time. My face is gonna be blue now.
You hope it's blue, don't you?
No. No, this is the wild cherry.
Ding, ding, ding!
I hate cherry.
Alright, she's gonna be trying this one next.
Which one?
Which one, cheater? Alright, your palate cleansed enough, ma'am? Just hold it.
Name off the flavors for me.
Melonberry, berry punch, raspberry, wild cherry, strawberry.
I think this is strawberry one.
Raspberry! She lost the point.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't like the raspberry one.
Alright, so cleanse your palate. We can also like move that up so like
Yeah.
see anything below you.
Okay, I'll put up my eyes, but I have to keep them in the color.
So you don't see. And then it covers your whole mouth. Oh, these stink. Okay, so we got cherry, blue raspberry, watermelon, and strawberry. And I don't know which one's which, so this is what this one is. Yeah, I know which one this is.
What the heck? Oh. I didn't know you were gonna be Starbursts.
Yeah, we're onto the Starburst gummies if you didn't notice.
I don't like sour things. Honestly, I've never even had Starburst gummies before. What flavor again?
Cherry, blue raspberry, watermelon, and strawberry.
It's almost gone. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Name off the flavors for me.
Cherry, black raspberry, watermelon, and strawberry.
No, it's not raspberry. I'm gonna go with watermelon.
It was cherry.
I did not taste like cherry.
So they don't have the Alright, the next one, this one. This is your sour palette. This will be your last one.
I like gummy beans.
Why? He did the same thing to me every time.
Ah!
Alright, what is it?
Give me the flavors again.
Cherry, black raspberry, watermelon, and strawberry.
Strawberry.
It was watermelon. No, I think it was strawberry.
It was strawberry. I know it wasn't
It was the pink
watermelon.
one. It was strawberry. She got it right. Here.
Oh.
Are you gonna give me one?
Uh-huh.
Jerk. I'm gonna ask you.
Oh no.
Sorry.
After I'm not having shirt, probably was.
You didn't show them what it was.
I don't think I did.
What color?
Red.
Ew. That was bad.
Yeah. Okay, you guys. These stink. This one right here.
Jerk, you put it in my mouth.
Okay.
It's nasty. Watermelon.
Yum. I gave you the flavors, but I don't like.
I wanted watermelon.
You like Arctic watermelon flavor?
Who actually won? I think it was you,
It
but
was me.
it could have been me because I got some good ones at the end. Well, the results will be right here. Number one, you can see there. Wow, so like, I feel like the Skittles were harder to tell.
It was a Starburst.
Starbursts
I
were
haven't
easier.
had those before.
So I guess you guys try this too and see what you think. I feel like the Skittles were hard to tell.
Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, subscribe below and give this video a thumbs up.
And I hope you have a wonderful day because you are awesome, you're amazing.
Go on a lot of adventures, and bye.
Bye, Felicia.